Have you ever faced repeated problems in your production line despite fixing them again and again? Why do rework, defects, or delays keep happening? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you find the root cause of any problem? This tool is called the Fishbone Diagram or Ishikawa Diagram, and today I'll show you how it can solve your major production issues. The Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa Diagram, was developed by Kaoru Ishikawa in the 1960s. It's designed to identify the root cause of a problem rather than just fixing the symptoms. The diagram resembles a fishbone where the head represents the problem and the bones represent the possible causes. Instead of blindly fixing issues, the fishbone diagram helps you understand why the problem is happening. By addressing the root cause, you can eliminate the problem permanently. In manufacturing, we typically use 6 M categories to find the root cause: man, people. Are the workers skilled enough? Is there any lack of training or experience? Machine, equipment. Is the machine properly maintained? Are there frequent breakdowns? Method, process. Is there a standard operating procedure? SSOP. Are people following the process correctly? Material, raw material. Is the raw material of poor quality? Are there delays in receiving material? Measurement, inspection. Is the measuring tool accurate? Are inspections done properly? Mother Nature, environment. Is the working environment affecting productivity? Are lighting, ventilation, or temperature causing issues? Suppose in your factory the rework rate is very high. You use a fishbone diagram to analyze the problem. Under man, you find workers lack training. Under machine, you find poor machine maintenance. Under material, you find low-quality raw materials. By fixing these root causes, you eliminate the problem permanently. So now you know how powerful the fishbone diagram is in solving production problems. Start using it in your factory, and you'll see a significant reduction in rework and defects. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your team and friends. Comment below if you want me to make a video on any other industrial problem-solving tool or concept. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.